All right, let's make some fried chicken that'll make you question every fast food bucket you've ever had. First up, grab some chicken pieces. Thighs, drumsticks. Pat those dry because crispiness starts with zero moisture. Next, let's brine. Buttermilk, hot sauce, salt, pepper mix in a big bowl. Plop the chicken in so it's swimming. Let it soak in the fridge for at least an hour. Overnight? Even better. Now, the magic coating. Flour, salt, pinch, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, black pepper. Mix the dry ingredients. Pull the chicken from the buttermilk and let excess drip off. Dredge through the flour mix. Press the coating in. Don't be shy. Heat up oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer because guessing leads to disaster, trust me. Gently lower the chicken in, a few pieces at a time. Don't crowd the pot. Fry for about 13 to 15 minutes, flipping once. You're looking for a deep golden brown, and when you tap it with tongs, it should sound like knocking on a door. Pull them out, drain on a wire rack, and hit them with a sprinkle of salt while they're hot. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes so it stays juicy inside. Then dig in. The outside's shatteringly crisp, the inside's tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. Homemade fried chicken, better than any drive-thru. If you try this, drop a comment and tell me how it turned out. And hey, don't forget the napkins.